Hi, what's up guys? Yes, as the title of this video says, block ads without downloading anything. Here I'm going to show you step by step how to block ads without downloading or installing any apps on your very Android phone. So let's dive in. The method I'm using in this video is called Private DNS to block ads. First step, go to phone settings and search for Private DNS. Enter the setting dashboard. Here, choose the option for Private DNS Provider Host Name. Now, in the text box, enter the host name. This is a DNS server provided by AdWord. Once you've done that, click on Save to continue. So let's check it out. I'm gonna turn off the private DNS for now, and let's browse through some websites that might have pop-up ads or ads. Now let's put on the private DNS, and here is the result. Ads are blocked whenever you enter to the site. And that's it for today's quick tip videos then. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.